not getting any sort of notifications from your Ring doorbell on your phone, watch this video till the end and follow all the steps that I mentioned to get your Ring doorbell notifications working in no time. Now, the most important aspect for notifications to work properly from your Ring doorbell is having a solid access to an internet connection. Your Ring doorbell needs to be in the coverage of your Wi-Fi in order for it to communicate properly with the Ring app on your phone. With the exception of the Doorbell Elite, Ring doorbells don't support a hardwired connection. So it's always best to plan your setup with Wi-Fi coverage in mind. You can move your router closer to your doorbell location or invest in a mesh or Wi-Fi extender to further enhance your signal coverage. You can check the network status of your Ring doorbell directly from the Ring app by tapping on the settings gear besides the thumbnail of your doorbell and then on device health. You should see the signal strength tab here. You'll need to ensure that the signal strength is good enough to sustain the activities of your Ring doorbell. If the signal strength is highlighted in green, then you're good. The number after the RSSI tag should ideally be a lower number for best signal strength. Now, this is the root cause for failed notifications for most Ring users and is something that you need to check for sure. With recent OS updates on iOS and Android, notifications are classified as a permission setting and therefore you will need to permit your Ring app for sending you notifications. This permission dialog is usually sent by your Ring app when you first boot the app. But if you bypass it for some reason, you will not receive any notifications from the Ring app. So make sure that notifications for your Ring app is enabled. The method to enable notifications is different for both iOS and Android, but basically you'll have to go to your device settings and open the app info setting of your Ring app. Then just toggle the notifications tab on and you should be good to go. The next thing you need to check is if you have enabled individual notifications of your Ring doorbell via the Ring app. This step might be a bit obvious, but frankly, I've personally been in situations where my carelessness has got the best of me. If your issues are with motion notifications, you will need to ensure that motion detection is turned on. You can do so by tapping on the settings gear icon besides the thumbnail of your camera on the Ring app and then toggling on the motion detection quick setting tab. Make sure to toggle the motion alerts tab here. And while you're at it, I recommend that you take a look at your motion settings as well listed below. Then under motion schedules, make sure that you have no schedules set up, at least for now. Schedules lets you arm and disarm your cameras according to the time you've configured before. Chime notifications should ideally be working without any setting intervention. Now, if you're facing issues with notifications, even after manually enabling them and ensuring that your doorbell is set up perfectly, you may need to take a look at the battery optimization settings for your phone. This is more applicable to Android devices since Apple usually does a better job with this. Android phones, especially ones from Samsung and OnePlus, are more aggressive with their background app management in order to improve on the battery efficiency of your phone. But this comes at a cost of closing the background services of your applications as well, which can include the push notification service that helps in relaying notifications to you. So, if you're not receiving Ring app notifications, I recommend that you try and disable the battery optimization features for your Ring app and check if issues persist. Disabling battery optimization is different across the various skins of Android present, but in general, you should find the setting in the same place you found the notification settings, under the app info page of the Ring app. Now, this is a fix that I found on a few forums online. Apparently, if you have a secondary device like a smartwatch connected via Bluetooth, it can hinder the push notifications of your device. So try turning off Bluetooth here on your phone and check if you can receive notifications now. I get it, this is not an ideal step to implement, since most will have qualms in disabling the functionality of their ever-connected smartwatch in hand. But this is still something to try if the other steps that I mentioned so far fail to work for you. You could also try disabling the Ring app notification for your smartwatch if you have that enabled. And with that, I believe that I've touched on everything that I wanted to talk about in this video regarding fixing notifications for your Ring doorbell. If you found this video useful, do comment your thoughts below, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting Ring content like this.